Hi, it's me, Janaya, and well, I'm doing a video about fireworks, and here we go. So,
let me help you. Hold on.
So we're doing this. It's called Spin World.
Hold the light.
So
You scary, you but have made me hot.
So
I don't want to do it.
Let me do it. Watch out. Scoot that way, Jelena.
So he's lighting it up, and what it's gonna do is
let me do it.
Go like.
Let me do it.
I'll
go like.
Hold on.
He's gonna go like that.
Oh.
Well.
Let me.
It didn't do anything.
Why did it? It was scratch.
Well.
It didn't work.
Huh?
So this is where something goes wrong like that. You can see it didn't blow up, but the wire is still gone. So he's gonna do another one.
Got two more.
Because that other one didn't work out. Now he has two more. And here he goes.
Ready?
This is my uncle, by the way. And here we go again, try. Because never stop trying. Never stop trying till you got it, okay? That is a life lesson.
So, paper to light it with.
See?
Okay.
He's getting a paper to light it.
It's your paper. Hold this.
And then he's going to light the paper up.
Here, go down here.
So he's going down there.
You gotta touch it to that. No, wait, let me light it first.
And first he's going to light it.
Now put it on there.
And then what he's going to do is put it on.
Hold on. Put it on there.
And then he's going to put it on.
Hold on. So I'm almost going to do it. One more time. Now put it on there. Put it on there. Run! Turn around.
Then, there it goes. Everyone was scared in that moment.
You want to do one more?
So, this is the last one.
They don't do good.
But they don't do good, really.
Get your paper.
But you can see this, what it did.
And that's it.
And it did a hole on the side.
And that hole is where the zzz came out of. And that's it.
Can you show me, Uncle Junior?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Well, there's two over there now. Oh, there's three all the way over there.
No, come here.
And
Here's Janai, your turn.
And it's my turn. Hold on, guys. Sorry, guys. Here we go again. There it is. And then, look. It spins when it lights up. Like, after, 3 seconds, it lights up. So, yeah.
Your leg broken, Jackson?
You can see it's a little, cloudy. It was thundering. And now it's about to be, sunny over there. You can see that. And there's my mommy. There's my Aunt Riri. And there is my Grandma Alice. And here it's my cute little cousin, Jackson. Say hi, Jackson.
Hi.
Say happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
So we're just coming here, but my mom is leaving tomorrow. And she has to go back tomorrow. But I'll see her back in August when I go back. And Jackson, wave the flag. Wave the flag in the camera. Wave it.
Say hi.
And there's the American flag. You see he's wearing American flag right there in his pants. And look at me. Head to my shirt to my skirt. And
Who is?
so I'm gonna, you saw my uncle, he's the one that was doing the fireworks.